Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, here's one of Ridgid's latest drill kits. The model number is R92082. Well, this kit comes in a hard case that is really nice looking. And the hammer drill is Ridgid's latest 861152. And the impact driver is Ridgid's latest 862312. It also comes with a 6 and 4 amp hour battery and a charger. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like. This is the case, and this thing looks really, really nice. Wow. This tag on the impact driver says brushless, 40% faster driving, 3 speeds, and self-tapping. I mean, this thing is just cool. It says brushless right there on the back. All right, and the tag on the hammer drill says brushless, 1,250 inch-pounds of torque. That is a beast of a drill. Very, very nice. Feels good. This one has the 6 amp hour battery on it. Comes with the belt clip already attached. Very, very cool. All right, we're gonna go ahead and see these tools in action. And first, we're gonna start off with the impact driver. Again, this is R862312. One thing I do really like about this is I can take the bit and just put it right in the end there, and it just holds it. That's awesome. All right, so first order of business, we're gonna be in mode 1. We're just gonna drive a typical coarse threaded drywall screw into a typical 2x4. Mode 1. All right, nice and slow. Let's switch her up to mode 2. There we go. Here's mode 2. Wow, a lot different, but still controllable. We're gonna go to mode 3 there. Wow, that is just blazing fast. And of course, you can hear that this thing is not impacting at all. Man, this screw is burning hot. Woo, gotta put that down. This is strong enough to just drive that screw all the way in without having to use its impact at all. So that's pretty awesome. Now let's just try this last mode, which I believe is for metal, sheet metal, things like that. I could be mistaken, but I think that's what that's for. Same screw into wood. Not sure if it's gonna change anything, but here we go. Nope. Wow, okay, hot screw. All right guys, so that is the impact driver with just a typical short screw. Now I'm not gonna compare that to this little old Makita 12 volt with a 1.5 amp hour battery, but I'm just so curious what the difference is. I totally get that the Ridgid is gonna be worlds better than this thing, worlds stronger and faster and all that stuff. I'm just curious. I want to put them head to head and see what the crazy major difference looks like. So here we go. Same wood, same screw, different drill. Wow. Okay. I mean, it's like we just went from the 50s to today, 2023. So that is a huge difference. Wow. Wow. And there I saw a little bit of a delay. Once I pulled that trigger, it had a delay on it for maybe a split second. But that was mode 3 there, and that is just unbelievably fast. Doesn't need to use the impact whatsoever. Next, we're gonna be driving one of these. I have the appropriate bit on the end here. So let's go ahead and do this. This is, I think, a 3.5 inch. Okay, let's see if we can activate the impact mode here. We're gonna go through both of these 2x4s, and then this is pressure treated. It's a 4x4 on the bottom. Here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, back that up. Let's do that again. And that one had a little bit of a delay again. So we are in mode 3. Let's do that again. Wow. Holy moly. I cannot believe how powerful that is. Okay, let's do that again. Get it started. Here we go. Dang. Oh my gosh, that is just unbelievable. Okay, just to contrast that a little bit, we're gonna go down to the Makita 12 volt here. Get it started. Okay, here we go. All right, well, the Makita got the job done, though it was very loud and slow, but it did get it done. Go back to the Ridgid. Wow. That is just unbelievably shocking on that. I cannot believe how powerful this thing is. Still doesn't have to really activate its impact at all. All right, rigid again, same battery again, mode 3, and we are gonna do something like this. I believe this is about 6 inches, same star bit. So let's go ahead and drive this thing right down the center of this, which is then gonna go into this pressure treated 4x4 on the bottom. Let's go ahead, give her a start, and here we go. Oh gosh. Wow, that was incredible. Wow, what on earth is Ridgid doing? Okay, well that was cool, but now we have this screw, which I believe is about 8 inches long. We're gonna go all the way through everything here. So let's see what we can do. This is the bit setup I'm gonna be using. Fits right in there pretty good. I can't get over this. That's just fun. That is just, it split that top piece because it was so short, but you can see we went all the way down. There's the screw coming out the bottom there, and that pressure treated wood was no problem. Let's get this thing out. Wow. All right, moving on to the hammer drill. Again, this is R861152. Ridgid's latest and greatest. You can see we have this giant drill bit in here. It's not the sharpest drill bit in the shed. So let's go ahead and give it a shot though and see how this thing works. Here we go. First time drilling with this thing. First time even using this at all. So here we go. Wow. Woo! Didn't have that thing that tight. Man, wow, that's all burning right now. That was really, really cool. I wish I would have tightened this more. There's that 1/2 inch chuck on there. But we went down quite a ways. All right, let's make this tight. Okay, I tightened that pretty good. It's a 1 3/8 bit. Let's give it a shot. Woo! Wow. Again, this bit is old. Not exactly sure how sharp this thing is, so we'll go ahead and stop there. I'm not trying to put these things, you know, through their ultimate paces, but you can hear and see that this thing is not slowing down one bit, no matter how hard I was pushing just now, and the simple fact that the end of this bit is not the sharpest. So this is, of course, a hammer drill, but I'm not about to go drilling into my concrete anywhere. I just wanted to give you guys a good view of these things in action. You've seen me unbox these. You've seen me use both the impact driver and the drill. And I think with the combination of these batteries, that hard case, this 2-piece kit for me is gonna do everything I'm ever gonna need it to do, and hopefully for a very, very long time, especially with that lifetime service agreement, I think is what they call it. This is Ridgid's latest and greatest. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And also, if you've watched this far and you're not a subscriber to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm Jimmy for the General Expert channel here on YouTube, signing out. Oh, and the reason why I wanted to put it up against these Makitas is because, to be honest, this is the drill I've been using exclusively for everything for the past years and years, and they've been great. But they are definitely very underpowered when it comes to drills like the Ridgid units. But then again, they are 12 volt, so they're not supposed to be super powerful. Really what they're supposed to be is something to get into small, tight spaces, easy, lightweight, and that's what these things are good at. However, look at the difference there, guys. That Makita is just about a little bit bigger than that Ridgid. So in terms of size, other than the battery, that Ridgid might have the Makita beat. Pretty cool.